welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is about Australian Red Rooster, and that's what I'm gonna eat today. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna show you guys what's in this packet. Okay, this one has the large chips, and you got these little like chicken balls, chicken nugget, mini chicken nugget, whatever they are, whatever they called, I should have found out. And then I got the famous rooster roll, Australian Red Rooster roll. It's really nice, especially when it has a lot of nice mayonnaise in it. And I saw that they were also selling onion rings, so I got me some onion rings. I don't know if it's as nice as the ones I had the other day, but becoming a fan of onion rings. And I got a classic roast, guys, a classic roast. Now in this classic roast, you get a bit of veggies, a chicken part of your choice. I opted for the leg. So with the leg, it gives you the drumstick and the thigh part together. And it comes with peas and some carrots, a little potato and a little pumpkin. So that's what you get in the classic roast, guys. Always one, eh? Always one that jumps out of the box. Stop it. Yeah, that's it, guys. So, oh, I got a drink today too. Can you see it? Ah, there it is. Look at it. Trying to play hide and go seek. Ta-da! I know. I only drink it now. I don't drink it any other time because I only drink my Kangen water and cordial. Yeah, I prefer to drink cordial because it doesn't have as much sugar as this bad boy here. Anyway, guys, I'm going to do a prayer and get this going. Oh, look, I forgot to mention, got a little gravy. Wonder if it's a potato and gravy. Looks like just gravy, guys. Anyway, prayer time. I went and got me my ranch because I got onion rings, right? And so, time to eat, guys. Okay. I'm gonna try these ones. Really crunchy. You get a little plastic, flexi plastic knife and fork to eat with the classic roast. A lot of food, huh? Okay. When we first moved here to Australia from New Zealand, our first takeaway meal that we had here was at Red Rooster. See, one thing I like about Red Rooster is the stuffing. Sometimes they don't add in the stuffing. I don't know, it might fall out and then they throw it away. But they should add it in because people like me love the stuffing. Anyway, let's have a bite. There's a bit of chicken and carrot and gravy. They used to give you this big bit of pumpkin. It's been a while since I've ordered one of these. Oh yeah, there's the pumpkin there. So they've chopped it up in little bits, which makes it easier for people to eat. Use a knife. Onion rings. Knife. Do you know there's something happening in Lebanon? Like, there's a big explosion, a real massive one. So sad because people have lost their lives. I think it happened at the where they make firecrackers and that. And it must have caught on fire and boom. I saw this recording on Facebook. It was someone was standing far away from it, filming, but when the explosion happened, it just hit that person. The camera fell down and everything. It's so sad too because innocent lives are... Hopefully it was an accident, not someone did it on purpose, the thought of someone, you know, doing all that to hurt others. I feel sorry for Lebanon. They're going through so much. It's been year after year. We're living peaceful lives compared to over there, you know, and go through so much. And it's so sad that, you know, got a lot of good food here. Hope you guys got something to eat. Because I tell you, I watch mukbangs, I get so hungry. I love it when I see them eat. When other mukbangers eat onion rings. And it looks so nice. So crunchy. So yummy. I had my cousin Becca and my sister visit. I had Kitty Vids coming to my mukbang and then they turn up. I thought, okay, let's put it back a bit so we can hang out. Sometimes it's good just to pick up your piece of chicken and eat it. I wish they added the stuffing because their stuffing is really yummy. But I think when it falls out, they just scoop it up and throw it out instead of adding it back into, you know, the person's order. I couldn't find my tissue box, so I got the family paper towel. Anyway, but I got plenty here from Red Rooster. Thank you, Red Rooster. Well, it's not just the gravy, it's potato and gravy. Maybe you guys have heard, Melbourne went on lockdown, and then they showed the roads were empty. Cricket sounds. Gotta keep safe, stay safe with all this evil COVID. New South Wales, that's where I'm from, in Sydney, where we still got to take precautions like wearing our mask and things like that. And guys, I'm not taking a breath mint before you put your mask on. My daughter and I were joking about when we were putting our mask on. Oh my gosh. Knock ourselves out. Anyway, I'm just saying, you know, do it. Because I'm thinking, now, you know, when you don't have the mask on, you're free to express. So when you cover up, it's like there's no expression going anywhere. It's just ricocheting back on you, you know. So, for your own well-being and for your own, you know, just have a breath mint too. Because brushing your teeth can only do so much. Okay, never mind. Look at me talking about that. I ain't near my feet. Some people, when I see them eat chicken, oh, professionals. I see reactions, okay, about people and their mukbangs. I was thinking, don't do any reaction on me. But mind you, that guy doing the reaction, he doesn't even know I exist. So I'm safe. But he was doing a reaction and it was cracking me up, babe. Cheers, guys. I was gonna get a glass and I forgot. Yes, I'm so sad about that explosion over in Lebanon. So sad, man. I saw this guy carrying this other man and he was just lying forward on the bike handle, and he was on his motorbike taking this unresponsive person on the motorbike. Now, this is a Red Rooster roll, guys, and it's done really nice. It's beautiful. It's chicken broken up and some mayonnaise. Before, there used to be like bits and pieces of the stuffing in there, and it's so lovely. You know, if only they didn't put the stuffing in here, but they added in here, it would be... Okay, guys, you can have a bite, but you are first. Anyway, when I first started eating rooster roll, I craved for it all the time. I ate it nearly every day until I got sick of it, and then I stopped. I used to love it. Every day I would eat it. That's when it used to cost about $4. I had my son here. He was tidying up, because here in Australia you have organic day whenever you want. You can have 12 organic days a year. 12. I think I've used up 4 of mine. Yeah, like this one would be 4. Neighbours probably think, where does all the rubbish come from? But you know, you store stuff up. You buy more stuff, you store stuff up, and can you guys believe it's a new month, August? The years come and go, so fast, eh? There's a lot of bad things happening around the world. Anyway, my son, he took a lot out. Then after that he tied it up. So I shared him lunch. Nice onion rings. I've got so many bits and pieces here. I fed my mum first, because my mum should always eat before I do. That's the island custom. It shouldn't be just the island, it should be everyone's custom. You know what? You take care of your parents. Because when we weren't able, our parents took care of us. Unless you get those kind of parents that don't really, you know, like a no-show kind of people. So, thank you guys to the new subscribers that just come and join my channel. Thank you so much. You guys are now family. Doesn't matter how you look at it, we are family now. So, I know I've got my regular family that comments, my YouTube family. Thank you so much. You guys are so awesome. It's like I know you guys already. It feels like that anyway. So my mum's watching Mr. Bean. It's so weird, eh? Like, when you have your kids, right, and you're busy doing things, so you turn on the TV just to let them be entertained and take a few minutes or hours away from what you have to do. Now it's my poor mum's turn. Like, I turn on the TV because she always requests for TV. So I just turn it on. She always asks for Mr. Bean because that's what makes her really laugh. How's a fuck up, Mr. Bean? Eh? Back in the days it was Frank Spencer, and then along came Mr. Bean. You know, one of those type of people that no matter what they do, it's like they always do something that's like funny but irritating at the same time. That's Mr. Bean. My last bite of the chicken Red Rooster roll. That's a O, that's a U, or is it a C and an O? Let me make a word. C-O-O, what should be the last letter? Now I'm playing with my food. Hang up. This is the last letter. Okay. The things we do. Okay, here we go. Oh, I was supposed to do cook, and I did a H. What was I trying to cook? Supposed to be a K. Hey, K. I know that's my karate. Supposed to be a K. Sorry guys. Hang on. I am so determined to make this K. Yeah, la dia. K. It's a big K. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And then this one breaks. Oh, can't win. Okay, here we go. Okay, you know what? Look at me. Why am I doing this to myself? Yeah. That's O. C. Now K's on the floor. K! Get over here. Okay, guys. Oh, this is not cool. This is not cool. Okay. Sorry, guys. I didn't finish it. Because the K was not a K. Wow, naughty there, K. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for popping by, even if it's just for the whole of the video. Or a few minutes, you know. Thank you, appreciate it. And thank you so much for your lovely comments. Appreciate you guys so much. God bless. Take care of one another. Wailua. Look after your parents. Look after our elderlies. Okay. Whāsoi fua. Don't forget, always send thanks to God. Wailua.